Congratulations to Nano Nuclear Energy for being selected for inclusion in the Selective Global Uranium and Nuclear Components Total Return Index, effective August 1, 2025. This inclusion positions Nano Nuclear stock for eligibility in the prominent Global X Uranium ETF, which has approximately $4 billion in net assets and provides broad exposure to companies involved in uranium mining and nuclear component production. The Selective Global Uranium and Nuclear Components Total Return Index tracks the price movements of companies with exposure to the uranium industry, including mining, exploration, investments, and technologies related to nuclear energy. Nano Nuclear's inclusion reflects its growing presence in the global nuclear energy and uranium supply chain. NNE CEO, James Walker, believes the growing demand for nuclear power, driven by the need for reliable and clean energy sources, will benefit the industry. Walker notes that tech companies are looking to nuclear power to support their AI ambitions and data center operations. The growing demand for nuclear power is driven by increasing energy needs, particularly from data centers supporting AI applications. McKinsey & Company projects that energy demand from U.S. data centers will grow from 4% of total energy demand in 2025 to 12% by 2030. This trend has led to increased interest in nuclear power from tech companies, with Amazon, Google, and Microsoft exploring nuclear options to power their data centers. On the road to meeting this demand, Nano Nuclear Energy has acquired a 23,537 square foot demonstration and office facility on 2.75 acres of land in Oak Brook, Illinois, to support the development of its Kronos MMR microreactor energy system. The facility, purchased for $3.5 million, will house up to 60 nuclear engineers, researchers, and support staff who will work on component construction and testing for the Kronos MMR in collaboration with the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, UIC. This acquisition marks Nano Nuclear's third U.S. facility and second site dedicated to physical test work, joining its existing facility in Westchester County, New York. The Oak Brook facility will serve as a central hub for building the Kronos MMR energy system on the UIUC campus, a project that would be the first commercial microreactor developed at a U.S. university. According to JU, founder and chairman of Nano Nuclear, this new facility will strengthen the company's collaboration with UIUC and advance the Kronos MMR towards construction, demonstration, regulatory licensing, and ultimate deployment. James Walker, CEO of Nano Nuclear, expressed excitement about establishing a presence in Illinois, citing the state's proud nuclear history and UIUC's role as a major driver of innovation and testing in nuclear energy. The acquisition of this facility comes on the heels of Nano Nuclear's engagement with AECOM to support site-specific engineering, environmental analysis, and regulatory planning at UIUC. This partnership lays the groundwork for deploying the first MMR at UIUC, a globally recognized hub for nuclear research and innovation. Planned activities include detailed environmental reviews, regulatory pathway planning, and site drilling to obtain geological data required for submitting a construction permit application to the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission (NRC). In addition to its progress in the U.S., NNE has also joined the Canadian Nuclear Association (CNA) to support the development of nuclear energy technologies in Canada. The company aims to bring its Kronos MMR technology to Canada and pursue the establishment of a demonstration site at Chalk River, Ontario. According to George Christidis, CEO and president of the CNA, Nano Nuclear's focus on advanced microreactor technologies aligns with Canada's growing leadership in innovative and scalable nuclear solutions. On the technological side, development of the proprietary annular linear induction pump, ELIP, for nuclear reactors has progressed with successful assembly of the ELIP technology onto a test loop. It was integrated into a controllable test setup for variable design validation at its demonstration facility in Westchester County, New York. The ELIP technology is a thermal management and distribution system that operates using electromagnetic pumps instead of mechanical ones, reducing wear and maintenance requirements while increasing efficiency. This technology could serve as a critical component in the development of advanced molten salt and liquid metal nuclear reactors. Nano collaborated with eRobotics Company to support its ongoing SBIR Phase 3 program for ALIP, which was previously funded by the U.S. Department of Energy. According to James Walker, CEO of Nano, this milestone shows what the company can do in the real world and highlights the utility of its Westchester demonstration facility. Walker believes the LIP will support the development of next-generation reactors and open a clear pathway toward revenue-generating activities for the company. J.U., founder and chairman of Nano, stated that developing the first iteration of ALIP enables the company to collect crucial data and advance the project towards commercialization. The company plans to steadily develop and test additional generations of ALIP to improve its readiness for the market. Future work will include testing and characterizing pump performance with different working fluids, simulating component failure scenarios, and material testing. With potential applications in space and defense sectors, ALIP technology could have far-reaching implications beyond nuclear energy. Nanonuclear's ALIP technology has the potential to enhance the efficiency and safety of nuclear reactors. By utilizing electromagnetic pumps, ALIP reduces the risk of mechanical failure and increases the reliability of the system. This technology could play a crucial role in the development of advanced nuclear reactors, including molten salt and liquid metal reactors. On the human side of things, NNE appointed Vice Admiral Charles J. Leidig, Jr. (RET) as the chairman of its Executive Advisory Board for Naval Nuclear Initiatives. Vice Admiral Leidig brings 39 years of Navy experience to guide Nanonuclear's initiatives in supporting United States naval operations with reliable nuclear power solutions. His role will focus on potential applications of Nanonuclear's microreactors in development for propulsion, baseload power on operating bases, and other programs. Vice Admiral Leidig's distinguished career includes serving as Deputy to the Commander for Military Operations, U.S. Africa Command, and holding various leadership positions such as Commandant of Midshipmen at the U.S. Naval Academy and Commander of USS Kavala. He directed submarine rescue programs, Arctic warfare initiatives, and Allied undersea operations, showcasing his positive and mission-focused leadership. In his new role, Vice Admiral Leidig will leverage his extensive experience to guide Nanonuclear's advancements in nuclear technologies. The U.S. Navy's long record of safe, reliable nuclear propulsion has shown how compact reactors can deliver consistent power under demanding conditions, said Leidig. Nanonuclear brings that same spirit of innovation to the next generation of microreactors for potential civilian and military use. Nanonuclear's founder and chairman, J.U., emphasized the importance of assembling a leadership team equal to the technology's promise. Vice Admiral Leidig exemplifies the caliber of talent essential to our future, and we are pleased to welcome him to our company. James Walker, CEO of Nanonuclear, also highlighted the value of Leidig's experience, stating that his guidance will be invaluable in developing efficient, long-life energy solutions. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.